Welcome. In this tutorial we shall learn how to work with rounded, scalloped and chamfer tools. First, draw a rectangle by selecting the rectangle tool from the toolbox. Hold down the control button to draw a square. In order to draw a rectangle from its center, hold down the shift button and drag. Now we shall see how to make a rectangle with rounded corners. First select a rectangle, then go to the properties bar and then click on the rounded corner button. This is the cor this is the round corner button. It is used to draw a rectangle with curved corners. This is the scalloped corner button. It replaces the corner with an edge having curved notch. This is the chamfered corner button. It replaces the corner with flat edge. Select the round corner button. Type the values of corner radius for the top left, top right, bottom left and bottom right corners. As you can see, the rectangle is now having rounded corners. You can also apply same changes to all corners by clicking the Edit Corners Together button. Now select the Scalloped Corner button. Specify the corner radius As you can see, this is now a rectangle with scalloped corners. Now select the chamfered corner button. Specify the corner radius. As you can see, it is now a rectangle with flat edge. This is how round, scalloped and chamfer buttons are used. Thank you.